Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So yesterday I had posted a video which was basically an introductory video to this channel, and it contains an overview of all the topics and subjects that we will be covering in this channel. So make sure you go and watch that video. I'll provide the link in the description and in the I button over here. So today's video will be all about the basics of photography, how a photograph is taken or how do we create a photograph. Any camera, big or small, film camera or a digital camera, has two major components. One is the lens and the other one is the camera body. So lens contains a small hole which we call an aperture, and the camera body contains a curtain like component which is called as the shutter. So when we click on the shutter button, then the light enters through the aperture, and for a brief moment the shutter opens and allows the light to let in. And this is how a photograph is taken. Important thing to note here is how much light is entering the camera. If the light entering the camera is too high, then we get a brighter image or overexposed image. And if the light entering in the camera is too little, then we get a dark image or an underexposed image. So the major question arises, how do we get a perfectly exposed image? So for this we have to wait for the next episode. Till then, keep clicking, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon if in case you want to receive all the updates from our channel. Thank you.